Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, friends. How are you doing? Well, this is your boy Hamad Malik, and welcome to my channel. Basically, in this video, inshallah, we are first of all, I welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video, brand new video according to YouTube. And please, firstly, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and click on all notification. It will help you when I post my videos on regularly basis. Like I'm posting regular videos on this channel, so it will help you notify. You get notification if you subscribe and press all. So now today topic is that, and everyone want this topic. Everyone want video on this topic, and it is also available. This topic also available on YouTube. A lots of videos you when you search this topic how to make money from YouTube. So lots of videos, lots of people make video on this topic. I also make a lot time many times video on this topic, but on multiple channels, other channels. So basically, how to make money from YouTube. Like my friends and my some mentors, I'm discussing about that, and I'm seeing I saw very people, many people WhatsApp status, Facebook status, and group post. I saw many people says YouTube changed their policies, monetization policy is very important, like monetization requirement. Now you are able to get monetization after completing your 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time according to YouTube, without any violation community guidelines, without any strike. You are able to get monetization. But now everyone, like not everyone, like many people, some of people talking about that YouTube changing their policies. If YouTube change their policies, to what's new policy? What's new policy? This is a very main and basic question. If YouTube remove this policy, 1000 hours and 4000, 1000 watch, 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours, so what will change? What they replace? तो उससे रिप्लेस क्या होगा? रिप्लेस बेसिकली ये होगा, बेसिकली रिप्लेस इज दैट you, according to people, I'm not say, and YouTube not say any thing about their update about the policy. It if this update change, so it maybe it will change into uh, now for 1000 subscriber requirement, so it will less on 500 subscribers, and 4000 hour watch time to less 2000 hours watch time. Now it means 2000 hour watch time and 4500 subscriber need for monetization eligibility. So I don't know it is true or not. If you think it is true, so you can comment on my comment section. If you don't, if you think it is fake, so you also don't. Thank you so much, subscriber.